All right, you're up. Is this your first time driving a Raptor?
This is my first time driving a Raptor.
Just don't kill these kids.
I'll do my best.
Sorry guys, this is my shaky hand. If you get the new GoPro 7, it's really good actually. Hold on, it's gonna avoid the warranty on my truck. Woo! Is it muddy? Ready for this one? This is the money shot. Look at those. Beautiful. These are the rears. Boxes got wet. I had these shipped to Seattle to a friend's house.
Yeah.
The pallet sat in his driveway for a week in the rain. I'm like,
outside the front.
I'm like, there's like 15 grams of shit. I'm like, yo, we're your neighbors. Oh, they don't know what it is.
Fox racing inside. These lift it slightly, or are these
2 inches in the front.
Oh, yeah.
Back's the same. Basically, it'll level the truck.
Yeah.
I'm out of breath. Oh, I don't do physical work.
All that stuff up into your tailgate. It's tiring.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'll leave you to it. Where's the lounge? I'm used to like the Lamborghini dealership. So these are the Fox 3.0 kit for the Raptor, built for the Raptor, so it bolts on. Gives us 2 inches of lift in the front. It also gives us, I think, like 12 or 14 inches of travel.
It has Fox Racing shocks.
Yeah, they're the OEM ones, 2.5s. They're blown. But they actually bottom out.
Got some hardware here.
New headlights. The thing, it said plug and play.
Yeah.
And it shows up and it's like on the back. I'm like, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, plug and play. Hey guys, good job. Just plug it in somewhere. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that, eh?
It's happening.
Well, we're about to pull off a front bumper, front suspension, headlights, and then put other shit on there. Realistically, we're doing a pretty fucking massive thing today on this truck. We're literally putting on like Canadian, like $20,000 for the parts. And I'll park it in the mall parking lot. That'll be it. Just kidding, we're gonna fuck this thing up. Yeah. The guy at Canadian Tire, like most guys park those things and Tim on Sundays, I'm like, you ever watch AGX with Mark? Mechanics love it when you're in the face the whole time. So what are you doing now?
I'm not open 24 hours though.
Yeah, that's gonna change. When his channel blows up, then it'll be 24-hour Marwood Automotive. People actually show up there at 2 in the morning for an oil change and knock on the door. And all it is there at Ajax is just Lamborghinis and Ferraris and shit like that. It's a crazy shop. They have motor ripped apart everywhere. It's literally like this, but with supercars.
There's not enough Ferraris around here for me.
And they're busy, like they're fucking packed all the time.
Yeah.
So you see, do a full trophy build on this, but at the end of the day, it's like, I need this to drive my kids around. It's Nanaimo. I don't want to be driving around in a fucking trophy truck because they're not practical. Like the roll cage bar comes like this. So when you get in, you're like, so I get in my truck. Hold on. So I don't want that. But I could buy another Raptor.
Hold the bumper.
Looking for the secondary release?
Yeah.
This one?
Oh yeah, I got some mud and water there.
Dirty.
Let's check this out. So only in the specialty Ford products like the GT, on the valve cover it says, powered by Ford. Fun fact of the 6.2, they made this engine for 4 years for the Raptor. Then in 2015 they killed it, came back with the EcoBoost. And now guys are literally swapping these motors into the new ones for like $60,000. Because the 3.5 is fast, it sounds like shit.
I know, nothing beats the sound of a V8.
America.
All right, we're done.
All right,
So
see you later.
It's an aggressive look.
You sir have to cut these things off.
Okay.
So it looks like the frame rails pop slide into this and they bolt into the side. But Colton's gonna be doing some cutting today. Not his wrist this time. Sorry, I didn't even bring that up. Sorry.
That's your subject, man.
They just have, for the cube lights, I've got 6 cubes coming for the bumper, 2 for the top of the hood for side shooters, and I got a 15-inch light bar. About there.
Right in this general area.
I'll cut this off too, we don't need that.
Yeah, fuck it.
This is pretty sketch cutting the frame on a Raptor. This truck's worth like $50,000 right now, Canadian. Whatever, we'll just cut it.
Look at that detailed instruction list we have here.
So that hole is right here. So right in the middle of this indent, basically, like this.
So I get to cut that.
Well, if we go,
Hey, good luck.
if we don't, do I look worried? The truck, at the end of the day, it's not going back to stock.
Yeah, no matter
I'll
what.
sell it or I'll write it off, I'll keep it forever.
I think go to that first line. Give it some more meat, since there's so much room in there.
Well, sometimes in life you can't look back, and this is one of those moments where we can't look back because we're gonna cut the frame on this 2011 Ford Raptor.
There we go, there's no turning back now.
Any gas leaks in here?
We're gonna find out, I guess.
Wow! Look at the size of this thing! Dude, call Ford, ask them how much to replace that.
Probably like a $15 bolt.
Oh, easy. Well, we have to now.
I mean, it's gonna be strong. It's right here.
outside.
You probably don't want it touching. You probably want a little bit of air. And just rattle or
Right,
squeak.
pretty good.
Yeah, that's probably pretty good. Size of these. Of course, they're different.
Look at this, you guys.
Do that next.
This is what you smash into. Okay?
Yeah.
And rip that shit out.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna. Unless we want to just chill like that.
No.
It's a neat look at the airflow, right?
The factory headlights are really awful, so you can see shit in this.
I was just gonna fucking butt connect it, but.
Yeah, watch this quiet guy.
looks
This is
good.
the guy that kills homeless people and hides their bodies. And you find out 6 years later.
you know?
He was so nice.
It's lit.
Oh man. I do the dad jokes. Are these legal? Fuck it. Cops don't watch our videos, do they?
I hope not.
So we got the headlights going on right now. The bumper's done, looking insane. Next we'll do the front suspension, and then we'll flip it around to the back, and then that's it. Well, that's not it for the truck. That's it for now. Man, I never do shit right. This is amazing to watch. I mean, it's a Ford, it's not gonna fit nice.
Put it back on so I can film you taking it off.
Oh yeah.
Totally ruined it for me. Yep.
Yeah, you go for it.
Oh.
Light it up.
Hey.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
Does this have, it says in the Fox, the resi mount, there should be a hole already here. Some do, some don't. I don't know which one it is though. So this truck obviously has external reservoirs, resis for short, and they mount to the fucking frame. Because where they have a mount, this hangs lower now. So you might have to get creative. Yeah, they hang it down, Foxing's and everything. So this mount to the frame, it'll look like this. And you'll see that at the front of the truck. Oh, I love trucks. Look at this fucking thing. Pretty much an Audi R8.
Pretty much.
I think they use the same chassis.
I think it's the same chassis. You can tell I'm excited.
Kind of wonder if we put the bottom in first.
Maybe not. Oh, it's heavy.
Okay, never mind. We're good. It's gonna get scratched.
It's all good. They're only $8,000.
No, it actually looks like it's pretty good.
Oh shit.
This is the custom shock installation tool. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a 2-inch lift, right? At the same time, so.
That's surprising actually, because the control arms don't have a lot of extra room.
I get this through this hole. It's come out in the bottom here, and like, well, this hole here. Now, when the bumper was off, it would have been like this, but that's okay.
So you would say to mount the shocks first before the bumper for anyone?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Got the front end, bumpers on, lights are in.
It has to go on. Got the external resis. Got new headlights. Obviously the new SVC Baja bumper. The rear one's pretty much done. Just gonna bolt it on. Rear suspension, and we're out of here. The tires and rims went on as well. So we just basically did like, oh man, $25,000 worth of work to this truck. So we can jump this thing when we're done, or what?
I think we should
have to
jump it.
reinforce the frame by the box. Once you do that, you can jump. Easy to get jack underneath this thing. Hey, it's not like a Huracan or a Garda or something. Alright. There we go. That looks good. Fuck yeah. Shit. Hold on. Need some light action here.
You think, does it look good
I'm
or
so fucking happy right now. SVC, shout out to SVC for hooking me up. This is crazy.
you want to cut that spare tire out?
Well, yeah. What the fuck? Oh, it lowers down.
Yeah, yeah.
What fucking year is it?
Can't believe they don't have a button for that.
Built not bought.
It's so much easier to buy them though.
Fucking right it is. How do these look?
Like an automatic assault rifle.
No shit, hey? There's one that literally go through your box and come out there and mount to a big frame in your bed. But then you have no box. And I actually like to use this truck for some shit.
Yeah, like
Truck
going to the
things.
mall, picking up the
Yep,
kids.
picking up kids. Soccer bags.
It's the old one. And that's the new one.
Wow.
Same thing but different.
Put you on the wrench. Look at that.
Piece of cake. Because I mean, the problem's circled, so we got to get rid of that.
That's the problems. I'll probably ditch the F-150 and the Raptor. Pull this bitch out and then... I'm actually really happy with the headlights.
Dude,
What do you
they
guys
look really
think
good.
at home?
They look good?
Yeah, the rear's way easier than the front, that's for sure.
Yeah? It's done.
Is it done?
Extra spare parts. Do we not need this anymore? It wouldn't fit anymore, would it?
It won't fit anymore. It's for the oil drain.
Not my problem. I'll change my own oil.
One piece of Ford engineering is
Boom. Thanks, Matt.
Well, the suspension's doing its job.
Yeah. I'll show you how you haven't worn it in or tested it yet. We're gonna start doing asshole shit right away. Definitely gonna need an alignment. I can already feel it. Any obstacle or any mud, we're gonna have to make a detour. It's just the law. It's almost as much fun as a supercar, to be honest.
I mean, you could probably do this with the Lambo.
I mean, you do it once. Jesus Christ.
Alright, so Dave's just dropping me off at the mall here real quick.
This is what that truck's built for. So many people buy these things and they fucking park them. Come on, guys.
Unbelievable.
There's too much traction in these XCOM tires. Shout out to XCOM. My alignment's off for some reason, I don't know why.
You literally said, let's take it easy 5 seconds ago.